alligator chomping by the lake. B is for bear with the big paw shake. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for dolphin splashing to the beat. E is for elephant trumpeting loud. F is for fox sneaky in the crowd. G is for giraffe reaching up so high. H is for hippo where the waters lie. I is for iguana basking in the sun. J is for jaguar ready to run. K is for koala cuddly and slow. L is for lion hear the big roar. Go! M is for monkey swinging through the trees. N is for narwhal swimming in the seas. O is for owl hooting in the night. P is for penguin waddling just right. Q is for quail hopping all around. R is for rabbit leaping off the ground. S is for seal clapping happily. T is for tiger strong and free. U is for urchin spiky and small. V is for vulture gliding tall. W is for whale singing in the deep. X is for x-ray fish secrets to keep. Y is for yak furry and fun. Z is for zebra stripes in the sun. A to Z, sing with me. Animals are fun, you see. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Alphabet animals can't be beat. Help me beat. Now you